Khapayadei ba ka Jingrakhe ka Jingdap Sanpo Snem jong ka Jingyo Jylla Bapura ka Meghalaya Menteri Rangba Uloong ba ka Jingrakhe ya ka Jingdap Sanpo Snem ka Jylla kan Iaid Beit Henry hap yele ban penduna ya ka Jingdon Briu bat ka te ka Jingrakhe kan Nongbah Nongbah Shillong lada ka jaka ka Bangyam lai hajar ngun onsha ban rungno tangkumba sanspa laneshi hajar ngun bat ula kenturu iki pait ba banya shim bentalang hakate ka Jingrakhe dap Sanpo Snem ka Jylla haka arpu wei tarik ukela lengkot lengba ka online bat ki wei ki program pat ki bala penmang baro Snem hadu upnai nopra hajar arpu onyele ban penyait Beit bat baro ki jingpen Beit kinlong hi kumjo.
We have already decided that we will be having celebration. It may not be at a scale that we had decided earlier, but it will be on, and more importantly, we will be having a function in Shillong. We will keep the crowd restricted in that program to 1/3 of the hangar that we're going to have out there, which is a capacity of close to 3,000. So we will have a crowd of not more than between 500 to 1,000, depending on the seating areas. We'll see. And we will ask as many people to join online, but since it's a golden jubilee, we will ensure that that we have the program. But more importantly, through the year, the different other programs which we had planned to do on the 21st we will push it forward in the weeks to come and months to come, and then we will throughout the year till the month of December we'll have continuous different programs, different inaugurations and different activities to mark the 50 years, and we'll obviously, depending on situation, we'll ask public also to participate.